Crush na. Natatawa ako, kuya. Baliw to si kuya. Crush mo na ako, kuya. Thank you. Baka puno tuloy sabi ko. Baka puno yung ano mo. Kaya ganun. Wala naman. Palaboy, hello. Eh, eh, lang. Wala lang. Ano ngayon? Sa uko. Matagal na po kitang crush love. Sana all. Talaga. Mr. G. Hindi ko po alam kung ilan limit po niyan eh. Typically, ano content mo? Oh, I don't really have. We're just only talking to people. Sometimes I do like live exercise and sometimes I also do like singing. It depends on the mood that I have for the day. Yeah, on that day that I'm going to do some kind of a live. But for today, since I didn't have like enough sleep for a couple of days already, so I'm kind of tired. All I wanted to do is just to entertain people. And that's what I wanted to do for today. So, what are you doing here in Beagle? Oh, I do a lot of things outside Bigo. I prefer not to discuss it here rather than any some kind of a personal thing, but it's not just only what I do here, but outside I have a lot of things to do. So scan who love tech kay DJ. Yeah. Thank you, Boris. Large Lim Biscuit. Hello. Hi, Nuki. Yeah, I know what you're trying. Okay, let me just VA. VA. Next hot dog. Next hot dog. Hi, Jess. Mm. But before, I used to do like proofreading. If you happen to know about it, was the company, if I'm not the site actually, it was called like Odesk, but they make it into Upwork na ata. Upwork na siya. I've been working there for like how many years? Alam mo yun, Adi? Yung Odesk before, ngayon Upwork na siya. Oo. Yeah. I used to work there. It's nice. She awake? Is she awake? No? Can you please stop going, ano, baby?
Yeah,
In and
biscuit.
out? What kind of a biscuit is it?
Just a mini cookie.
Show me.
I bought a mini cookie.
Talaga?
It's like a mini Oreo.
Wala day mo yun, ana, day sa, sa company ninyo, pwede manggod mo mag-sort out, ana. Tracy Carbon na. Ni, namidagan ana sa mga site. Try ni mo anha dira sa katakugingon sa Upwork. They have a lot. Jonas, hello. Inana man jud na mag-training, mag-undergo sa ka ng warag training. Dili man siya kanang dali ra man pud na. Upwork. Shadow. Hello, baby Macy. Dili. Ang Upwork kasi ano na siya, Canadian. Sa online, moadto kag online, niadto kag Upwork. Na sila daghan nga mga nga kung unsa imong job description sa imong before nga pwede ka mo fit in dito. Cupido, Hiron. Hi, Carrot.
Can you help me finding it? Kasi like last time, I was looking for it. But
Yeah.
I really cannot find it. So can you help me find it? It's like in a light green packaging.
Light green.
It's like a mini Oreos that is in a light green packaging. That's just the color. This is my favorite. Yeah.
Oo. Oo. Na ano po siya diri.
That's the only biscuit I
Oo,
have.
madaldal na siya ulit. Red cash. Samantalang nung nakaraang araw. Sige o gilak-hilak. Iyak ng iyak. Ngayon okay na siya. Nung nakaraan na nag-live ko nga, sa nakura sa tanahuman, hilak-hilak siya kay maude kay gilantan di ay. You okay now?
Yes, mommy. Hi, mommy. Ow, my foot.
Sorry.
Gusto ko lang.
Ask for kuya for help. Psychotic. Miss you. I miss you daw kasi ngun si Ate Adi.
Miss you too.
I miss you too.